Hey y'all, I have an exciting unboxing to share with you guys today, which unfortunately means Theo is going to get roosted from his favorite box. I actually, embarrassingly enough, overnighted this bag the day it dropped, and then flash forward like 3 weeks later and I'm only just now getting to the unboxing. I've been super busy with some home projects and that has been taking up all of my time. It ended up being a lot longer of a project than anticipated. So here we are, but I really want to use this bag this week, so we are going to get it unboxed. What do you think of that? How do you feel about that, Theo? Big stretch. All right, buddy. So I'm not gonna lie, this fall's drop was kind of interesting. I didn't see a whole lot of things that I loved in spring colors, but there were more denim pieces from what I already ordered, which was pretty cool. All right, so here we've got retail packaging, sticker was not stuck. Okay. We just got standard, thank you for shopping at Coach. And this bag is not retail wrapped, so we won't have to worry about any of the wrapping. And ta-da! This is what I picked up from the newest collection. This is the Coach Duffel 24. This is my second duffel, and there may or may not be a third one in my future, depending on how I feel. When this dropped, guys, I am not kidding. I happened to be up at 10 p.m. checking the Coach website, and it loaded onto the page, and I'm like, I have to have it. Love dinosaurs. I'm not huge on the other words or phrases or sayings here. I didn't really look too deep into them. I just saw the dinosaur and I'm like, oh yeah, that is really cute. And I think because this was a while ago, I'm fairly certain I looked at the other sayings to make sure it was nothing that I was cringe. But I'll show you both sides, or all the sides that have writing or anything. Bye bye butterfly. I like that, toot toot. Highway cowboy. Interesting. Okay. Well, I'm gonna get this unwrapped and unstuffed now. Well, not really a whole lot of unwrapping to do, but just the little covers. Oh, I just realized that there is a little apple on the hang tag. That's kind of cute. It's a little, I guess, my first thought on that is back to school, to be honest. So that's interesting. I wonder if the other sketch bags have this detail on them. I'm not sure how much I love it. I think it's interesting, but I might actually just replace this with an extra and put something else on there because I'm not a huge fan of the apple. All right, so we've got it all unstuffed. The interior is exactly the same as the other Coach duffel bag that I have, so I'm not going to go too in depth with that. And the crossbody strap is also the same. I think I'm not going to use it right this second, but the only difference between this crossbody strap and the one with my other is the hardware. You can see this has silver hardware. My other Coach duffel has the gunmetal hardware, and the crossbody strap reflects that. So here they are side by side. Very, very cute bag. This is actually one of my favorite styles. Just realized on the bottom of the new one, it says genuine full grain leather. Feels pretty nice. It is very structured, which I appreciate. It is one of my favorite types of bags are the ones that have some structure to them. So anyway, just wanted to do a quick unboxing so I could use this bag this week. I really think it's a fun addition to my collection. It's one of my favorite silhouettes, so I'm excited to have it. And let me know what, if anything, you guys picked up from the spring collection. I'd be interested to hear your guys' thoughts. If you want to see a more in-depth video on the Coach Duffel 24. I will definitely link my other video below, but I hope you guys are doing well. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this bag, and until the next one, I will see you later. Bye.